Good evening, dear student. Till now, you have studied about trigonometric ratios with respect to some angle theta. So, in this class, we will study about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. That is sine 90 minus theta, like that cos 90. So, now I am going to write six trigonometric ratios with respect to this angle theta. So, sine theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Now cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. Like that tan theta. So tan theta ratio is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite is BC divided by adjacent is AB. Like that cot theta, that is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta I can write as adjacent side divided by opposite side, that is AB divided by BC. Like that secant theta, that is secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC divided by adjacent is AB. Now cosec theta, that is cosecant theta, that is reciprocal of sin theta, that is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is AC divided by opposite is BC. So these are the six trigonometric ratios with respect to angle theta. Now we have to find complementary angles. Now look at dear student at angle C. This angle C, here it is 90 degree. So sum of these two angle is 90 degree. So this angle theta means this angle definitely will be 90 minus theta. So this angle is 90 minus theta. So with respect to this 90 minus theta, this side will become opposite side and this side will become adjacent side and this side will be hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle 90 minus theta, because this is theta means this will be 90 minus theta only. So with respect to this is opposite side, adjacent side and this is hypotenuse side. So with respect to 90 minus theta, we need to write all the six trigonometric ratio, dear student. Now dear student, with respect to angle C, that is nothing but 90 minus theta, you write all the six trigonometric ratio, that is sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, again sin ratio we know, dear student, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB by hypotenuse is AC is equal to, look at here, AB divided by AC ratio. AB divided by AC ratio in this is cos theta. So sin minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Therefore sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So similarly we can write cos 90 minus theta, what may be ratio? Cos 90 minus theta. So here cos 90 minus theta, cos ratio is nothing but adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So here BC divided by AC, look at here, BC divided by AC. This is BC divided by AC ratio. So this is nothing but sin theta. Means cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So similarly we write in tan 90 minus theta. So with respect to this angle 90 minus theta, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite is AB divided by adjacent is BC. So here AB divided by BC ratio AB divided by BC ratio is nothing but cot theta in this. So this is nothing but cot theta. Means tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So like that you can write cot 90 minus theta. So with respect to this cot 90 minus theta is nothing but adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent is BC divided by opposite is AB. So here BC divided by AC ratio here, BC divided by AB ratio is nothing but tan theta. Means cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So similarly we can write secant 90 minus theta. So secant 90 minus theta is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC divided by adjacent is BC. So here AC divided by BC you have to observe here. AC divided by BC is here cosec theta. So cosecant theta means secant 90 minus theta is nothing but cosecant theta. So secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So similarly cosecant 90 minus theta, we will see what happens. So cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to, so here cosec theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is AC divided by opposite is AB. So AC by AB, look at here, AC by AB is nothing but secant theta. So that is cosec 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So these six complementary angles ratio, try to keep it in mind, dear student. These complementary angles, that is the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, will help you to solve the problems. Wherever sin 90 minus theta will come, you can substitute cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is nothing but tangent theta. So secant 90 minus theta is nothing but cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is nothing but secant theta. If you know these two diagrams, these two are same only. So here with respect to angle theta, this is opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So this is theta means this will be 90 minus theta only. I wrote the same figure here. So with respect to 90 minus theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So you can easily find that trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So try to understand this concept clearly. After understanding, you subscribe this channel and try to share wherever possible. I hope this will help you to understand. These concepts are very, very important from the examination point of view. If you know these concepts very clearly, then understanding the whole lesson will be very easy, dear student. Okay, best of luck, my dear student. While watching this video, try to make notes by pausing the videos.